How to use TikTok affiliate feature. To use the TikTok's affiliate feature, you simply have to first of all make sure that you are eligible. You have to have 1,000 followers at least, and you must be 18 years old or older. And you also have to be based in an active TikTok shop region. And also, your page must be in good standing with zero active community guideline violations. Now you simply have to go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your device, then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now once you tap on this three horizontal lines on the top right. From here, head to the TikTok Studio. From here, find the monetization row over here. Once you tap on this, you simply have to now scroll down and you will find the TikTok shop for creator over here. Now once you tap on this, you simply have to tap the apply or join option, which should be available over here once you're eligible. And then you have to now proceed to source products for your showcase. You simply have to tap the product marketplace, use the search parameters, and also pay attention to the commission rate and tap add on any items you want to feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.